this is Rex with Paperwise. In this video, we will learn how to export document data into Excel and CSV format, which you can then use for reporting or other purposes. Let's get started. I've signed into Symphony and have already done a search. Here you can see I have my accounts payable cabinet open and a group of documents returned. In this case, my example are a bunch of paid invoices. I'd like to take this data and be able to determine maybe the productivity of my team members. Perhaps I want to know which vendors are sending me a certain dollar amount for invoices so that I can do some reconciliation at the end of the month. Whatever the use case is, and no matter which cabinet or documents you're using, you have the ability to export this document data to a spreadsheet or into a CSV format that you can use in another system. Simply right-click on the table and then choose Export Results. You can choose to export to Excel or export to CSV. I'm using Microsoft Excel, so I'm going to choose Export to Excel. The data will be created and downloaded. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, and the file is available at the bottom of my screen. Yours may vary. If I click on it, it will open, and there you go. Here's a copy of all of the data that's inside of my Symphony search tab. I have all the same fields. If I were to choose a field, it'll give me a row count of 264, which would be 263 items, plus a header column. If I were to export to CSV, I would have the header column plus rows for all of the data. From there, I can take the data and pivot it, do whatever I want to do to generate reports. In this video, we have learned how to use the Export to Excel or Export to CSV option inside of the Search tab. This allows us to generate a list of data that we can use for multiple purposes, whether it is reporting or feeding into another system. As always, if you have questions or want to know more about Symphony, please contact your Paperwise account manager or Paperwise support via paperwise.com. Thank you.